Hi, my name's David Studner, and I am a product manager with Trek Bicycles. Today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about Ride Plus, which is our exciting new line of pedal assist electric bicycles. These are not mopeds. These are a pedal assist only electric bike that we believe is going to really expand what is possible by bicycle. The Trek Ride Plus bicycle is very much a conventional bicycle with the addition of a few components. We have a rear hub motor, a removable battery, and a console with a simple 3-button control. The Ride Plus bicycle is controlled from the console on the handlebars. It's a simple 3-button control with a screen that gives you all the information you need while you're riding the bicycle. The SynDrive console has 2 buttons on the right side, A and G. A stands for assist and G stands for generate. In assist mode, you have 4 levels of assistance that range from 25 to 200% assist based on your pedaling force. In generate mode, what you can do is feed power back to the battery from the motor. This can increase your range by up to 10%, and it also functions as a drag brake, which can help you control speed on longer downhills. The Ride Plus tells you how much battery life is left, gives you standard computer functions like speed, trip distance, trip time, overall distance you've traveled. Another feature of the Ride Plus system is the brake switch. No matter what level of assist you're in, if you apply brake even in the smallest amount, it will automatically switch the unit from assist mode to generate mode. This guarantees that the assistance will not push past your braking effort if you were to continue pedaling. Ride Plus also has lighting. All you do to turn on your lights is hold down the mode button for 5 seconds, and the front and rear light will illuminate as well as the back light on the console. To turn them off, simply hold down the button for another 5 seconds, and you're off again. To create Ride Plus, Trek partnered with Bionix, which is the world leader in electronic propulsion systems for bicycles. They have a technology we like to call SynDrive, which simply means the synergy between the rider and the bicycle. It's a pedal assist system that senses pedaling torque, so that when you ride the bike, if you pedal harder, it will assist harder. If you pedal softer, it will assist softer. And from the saddle, it simply feels like Super U. For Ride Plus, we've chosen a lithium manganese battery. We've chosen this battery for its strength and robustness. It's extremely reliable, and we've encased it in this plastic case. The case is weatherproof and waterproof so that the bike can be used in any conditions. It's very easy to remove with a simple key and push-button latch mechanism for security. This is also important for transport. You can take the battery off so that you can take it inside for charging to make the bike lighter weight for transport and storage. The range expected is between 15 and 45 kilometers depending on the terrain you choose to ride the bike over and the settings you pick. Let's talk a little bit about battery charging. As mentioned earlier, on the console, we have a battery gauge that lets you know how full the charge is. If you reach maximum low charge, it will emit a beep, and that's when you know you've got to charge your battery. Ride Plus comes with a world-ready automatic charger. It is dual voltage. You'll set it on the 110 volt setting for US, 220 for Europe and other markets. You simply plug it into a wall socket, or in this case, extension cord, and then the plug that goes into the battery is polarized. It has a flat side that meets the flat side of this hole. Once you've got your wires plugged in, you turn on the power switch. On the other side of the battery, there are 2 indicator lights. The red light indicates power, the yellow light indicates charging. When the charge is complete, the yellow light will turn green. This should take approximately 3 hours. For the Ride Plus, we use a 250 watt direct drive brushless motor. This motor is an extremely efficient motor with very few moving parts. We like to call it silent drive because it makes no sound whatsoever when it's in use. This motor is extremely efficient and extracts maximum power from the battery. In addition to power assist, Ride Plus has a regenerative braking mode. This allows you to harness the energy from the motor and feed it back into the battery. There are 4 modes, and this can be used for helping to control speed on downhills as well as increasing your range by 10% on an average ride. The bike will not move by itself with the motor turned on. The Trek Ride Plus is a true pedal assist bicycle, so it will only move if the rider pedals. The Ride Plus system could be put on another frame, but Trek's Ride Plus frame has been optimized to better deal with the weight of the electric system and the torque of the motor. Charge time can vary depending on the state of charge the battery is in when it begins charging, but from fully empty it should take approximately 3 hours. Ride Plus uses a lithium manganese battery, which was chosen for its strength and durability. It's the most robust battery for this application available. The battery on the Ride Plus bike is removable, and we believe this is one of the most important features of Ride Plus. By having a removable battery, we make a bike that is much easier to transport and store. It also adds the convenience of being able to charge the battery away from the bicycle, though it can be charged on the bicycle. It gives us a little bit of a competitive advantage over some of the other products out there. A charge on a Ride Plus will range anywhere from 15 to 45 kilometers. It depends on the settings that the rider chooses and the terrain they're riding over. The motor should never be opened. The motor is permanently sealed, and if the motor were to be opened, the hamsters would escape. That's an interesting question. The electric bike does have cycling computer functions in its console that operate when there's a battery on the bike. If the customer chose to use the bike without the battery and just ride it as a conventional bicycle, then a computer should be used. The Ride Plus battery and motor are waterproof. The motor is fully sealed. The battery is encased in a hard plastic shell that is both weather and waterproof. Simple. All you need is the battery charger that comes with the Ride Plus bicycle. It's a fully automatic charger that plugs into a standard wall outlet. It's very simple to use, not unlike a normal cell phone. Spare batteries are available, but they're very costly. If you need extra power because of a long commute, it's better to get a second battery charger that you can keep at the office or your place of work. That way you can ride the bike into work, put the battery on the charger, ride it back home with a full charge. In most cases, no, but that can vary. Some regions have different laws pertaining to electric assist bicycles, so you'll need to check to see what those laws are in your region. That information is available on Dexter's Ride Plus site. Standard Trek warranty does cover the Ride Plus models. The electric components have a 2-year warranty on them, and further warranty information is available on Dexter.